Why do all towels have those stripes? And not that long ago, this fell into my radar. I checked every towel I own and all of them had those stripes in some shape or form. Why? I thought it was some kind of decoration. Turns out, it's not. When I dug deeper, I found out that originally it was created to make towels stronger. Towels are made from cotton threads woven into loops. Those loops make towels soft and give them the power of absorbing water very well. But those stripes are different. Instead of woven loops, they feel flatter and tighter. Personally, I hate those. They don't feel nice like the rest of the towel. But now think about the edges of the towel. They get most stress, they get pulled, twisted, washed and dried many times. Without those stronger stripes, towels would start to fall apart very quickly. When the towel gets into the dryer, those fluffy cotton loops shrink much faster than the tighter edges and those tighter stripes. So edges and stripes act like a skeleton of the towel. If a towel didn't have those, over time the center of the towel would start to shrink and it would pull the sides to buckle up inwards. So the towel would change its form from rectangular to almost like an hourglass shape. Okay, so if this part of the towel is so strong, why don't we make the wall towel in this way? Well, if we did, it wouldn't be a towel, it would be a blanket. It wouldn't have those fluffy loops that trap the water as well. So towel needs that 90% of nice area to make it soft and absorb water very well. And about 10% of flat stripes to make it firm and last longer. That is the main reason, but not the only reason why those stripes exist. In factories, towels are made in large machines, and those stripes help workers to see where to cut the towels. They help to identify where one towel ends and another one begins. They also help with folding. They create a natural line and towel looks nice and more organized when folded. That's why hotels fold their towels in a way that makes the stripe visible. It looks more organized. This design isn't perfect either. Have you ever seen an older towels that get wavy edges? Very similar to a piece of bacon. This happens because the nice part of the towel and the firmer stripe over the years shrink at different speeds. Tension appears and edges get permanently warped. And have you ever wondered if you would get a cold in a place where you are completely alone? I have a video about that. Check it out. It's a good video.